Hi, my name is James with Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Let me show you the most common causes for rat problems in your restaurant. If you have found this information helpful, click on the like button below. Water. It's a critical source for rats and all living things. There's plenty of places to get water in a restaurant. Whether you left some water behind after cleaning the floors, or there's water in your drains. Often, the large open floor drains create a problem because they never seem to dry out. If you throw ice in the sink, they'll drip all night. So you've got to keep not only the sink dry, but the drains below. And you can do that easily by covering it with a grate you can get from your purveyor, or even putting a brick over the top of it. It may sound silly, but remember, you've got a rodent problem and they need water. Snap traps. They're the best way to go when you're dealing with a rodent problem in your restaurant. They're easy to use and they're humane. When you're setting rat traps, make sure you follow a couple steps. You use very little bait in them. You don't want to put too much because then you're just feeding them. You want to create charts, one for the back of the house, and maybe use the seating chart for the front of the house. That way every morning somebody has something to look at to retrieve them all before patrons or purveyors come in the building. Avoid using poison at all costs. It will only create other problems for you. The last thing you want at your restaurant is some truck pulling up with bouncy ears on the roof and logos all over it. It's important you find yourself a professional who understands the importance of discretion. If you have or think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, give us a call here at Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. We will discreetly help you as quickly and professionally as we can.